2027 Tesla Model 3 remains one of the most recognizable electric cars on the market, but popularity doesn't automatically mean it's the right choice for everyone. With more EVs competing for price, range, technology, and comfort, buyers need to know both sides of the story. So today, we're breaking down the biggest pros and cons of the 2027 Tesla Model 3 and giving you the honest, buyer-focused perspective. Pro number 1. Excellent efficiency. One of the Model 3's biggest strengths is efficiency. Its aerodynamic design and electric powertrain allow it to deliver impressive range without requiring an oversized battery. For daily commuters, that means fewer charging stops and lower energy costs. Pro number 2. Strong performance. Even standard versions feel quick thanks to instant electric torque. Higher trims take performance even further, delivering acceleration that can compete with much more expensive cars. It's practical enough for everyday driving, but still genuinely fun behind the wheel. Pro number 3. Supercharger access. Tesla's charging ecosystem remains a major advantage. The Supercharger network makes long-distance travel easier, while the navigation system can automatically plan charging stops along your route. For road trip drivers, that convenience can make a huge difference. Pro number 4. Advanced software. Tesla's software remains one of the Model 3's biggest selling points. Over-the-air updates can improve the interface, add features, and refine the driving experience without requiring a dealership visit. The car doesn't necessarily feel frozen in time after you buy it. Pro number 5. Lower maintenance. With fewer moving parts than a gasoline-powered vehicle, the Model 3 generally requires less routine maintenance. There are no oil changes, spark plugs, or traditional engine components to maintain. That can make long-term ownership simpler and potentially less expensive. Con number 1. Minimalist controls. The touchscreen-heavy interior looks modern, but it isn't perfect. Many functions are controlled through the display, and drivers who prefer physical buttons may find the system frustrating at first. It's a design philosophy you'll need to be comfortable with. Con number 2. Ride comfort. The Model 3 can feel firm, especially with certain wheel and tire combinations. Drivers looking for a softer, more traditional luxury sedan ride may prefer some competitors. Con number 3. Interior luxury. The cabin is clean and modern, but it doesn't necessarily feel as luxurious as some premium EV rivals. Tesla focuses heavily on technology and simplicity rather than traditional luxury materials and physical controls. Con number 4. Charging still requires planning. The Supercharger network is excellent, but EV ownership still requires thinking about charging. If you can't charge at home or have limited access to convenient public chargers, ownership may become less convenient. Final verdict. So, is the 2027 Tesla Model 3 worth buying? For buyers who prioritize efficiency, performance, technology, charging convenience, and low maintenance, it's still an extremely compelling EV. But if you want a traditional luxury interior, physical controls, or a softer driving experience, there are alternatives worth considering. The truth is simple. The Model 3 isn't perfect, but its combination of strengths makes it one of the most complete EV packages available. The smartest way to buy any car is to understand both what it does well and where it falls short. The 2027 Tesla Model 3 has plenty of advantages, but knowing its weaknesses can help you decide whether those compromises actually matter to you. Would you still buy the Model 3 after knowing the pros and cons? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe to Next Gen Autos for more honest automotive reviews and buyer guides.